final decision has been taken on Kumasi Asante Kotoko returning Amoah. No one sema mede Asia Ewofia World Cup no Ebaso na World Cup no Ebaso no. To say the last me report to you. 2 Asante Kotoko players, yes, has been touted say you mu baako na omo join Kotoko, omo join Black Stars to represent Asante Kotoko slot. Ehun sem kakra ewa ha mede Asia Ewofia sports minister enra oye various meeting. The update concerning this particular meetings no no mensaka mede Asia Ewofia has say Kotoko the Ghana Football Association president, and also on the name and Oba Pro with the regional football federations. I trinity, I can say RFX no a dintia or Nama or Bossa Pro no your home sempoha mede Ebro Ewofia Ghana Football Association and krata from FIFA FIFA krata no assemble na FIFA e catch Ghana Liga boy or match date say because of World Cup na kono. By that particular date, we should be done with a Liga boro with the whole details. Bro, across the folk new CEO Julius, yes, and also we share various stakeholders. To say the last mechanic or by we can share playing body and I'm told to we share supporters no or call it for a DB or call it for the Munchimua with the Asia Ewofia. The news is on Albert Amoah, yes, but the Albert Amoah latest news with Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ebebro na Kotoko eko appointed advisory board na advisory board Kotoko appointed it is for the supporters council no na omo first meeting ni we no it was about this particular subject matter meeting no omo said to us that said they would want to meet the IMC to discuss this particular thing with the IMC. No updates now. Mede Asia Ewofia World Cup no baso we are in the World Cup here. Ghana your technical team no amanfo suggest say we should beef the technical team. Na no kra mpanyifo any coaches for aiding command coaches for money obudin komo no enye say omo ba be replace coach Otuado na say coach omo pe coach bi no mo na beka Otuado technical team no ho. Inti na technical team no emu ayedu ano na information ayete na edin ba ko bi apiem a edin na apiem no yebebo din no na the latest on this particular story so abro on Kumasi Asante Kotoko stories no so safuduku the tudwa say utuvu na nkopon ya do ma waze kosi ada ye de aduana na ebo FA Cup no according to safuduku the supporter bi ai kan no so yet man the Ghana Premier League na as say I did na MTN FA Cup na dey was a defend safuduku nkomodie do sana etie menya ne ntie se Kumasi Asante Kotoko season ne ba wi ya yankoto players bibire no etuo betwa na eyede na omo dey ba be replace that no details kakra be the ebro if you are with regards to that particular story you be promoting youth team players. How many are we going to promote? No any incommodate no the Kumasi Brentia Kotoko at the end of the season omo and sign more players for Kumasi Asante Kotoko more be console in himself beko samba nkomodie no say no corner na obeko na no information I say can say samba no ye willing say sa okokra na sikapudu obi a obejibia no obema krobia Asante Kotoko nso atafre kakra eno ne nsama enne anopei makani nyina abuma mede Asia o super no so me pacho unsubscribe ya na wa hit the red subscribe button no so na wa ba do ma no so ne appeal it together information there bebre no wi ase enya to hope na ye de bro real quick on this particular super channel me pacho over hit the red subscribe button no wa join Asante Kotoko reaction no 0247 10 72 60 0247 10 72 60 me pacho ye ji adwade ye dwe upese obo udwade ho ne o madewura obefa number no asa WhatsApp ye yebedi hu yebebo hu dewura ma. We have various platforms. We are on Facebook, your TikTok, your WhatsApp, and I said it mutintimai our YouTube. I say it 2% you're advertising your product and services, never hesitate to get in touch with us. So uni be a cry open so bohu the rule. Na open say dwumadi a ye di ne ha no wo support ya fa number no na WhatsApp here. Yes, na afi no dwumadi ne pese ye de different level kra. Nti wadaroma obefa number no na wa WhatsApp here na yekoye nim ewo ho. Yes, Mahai Super 24 TV and the date no 4th of February 2026. Let's take this message as our life for our path. Your works are going to recommend you. So any little job you get, make sure you do it well. You do my dear within assassin soon. I know and I very recommend though. Sa uyu be a juma man na uye ni ya. When juma na udi na uye ni no. And one of a tom. In Titembiano, you need a juma ketwa, you need a juma kesie. Nemu a juma be a job be a baby a ye, ni ye. Sa job no undim say, Ibia and no do breakthrough beba. So we are here to remind all of you say, a juma woodino, di ye, na eno, and a bit me, and my breakthrough, and not a very recommend as a matter of fact. So you have a message way and my home brand near Fanante in this 4th of February 2026, the year of our Lord. Now let's go into the stories. And now World Cup trophy no eba Ivory Coast. What's the Ivory Coast for a qualifier or more World Cup maybe? It's World Cup trophy no. Yeah, they call the various countries mobile World Cup no. And remember who's the social media so na eba zepa World Cup trophy no. And just uhuno a glass mu. No be gina ho na o de atwa picture. Enti be sure say Ghana so eba enkran Kumase de minim say eyedan a wo de beba ha. A glass mu na sawunya akonya no akogina ho no atwa picture. Say edru Ivory Coast, na edru Ivory Coast ne de let us say enam kwan so a eba Ghana. Marcel Desailly, former French player, ono aka ho bi na other World Cup trophy no ekoto abra World Cup no eba so. Na no sports minister and the social media influencers and so ACI and Omudi Kasubum about Ghana World Cup in Komodi. I was saying social media no very powerful. And I old children say World Cup will be no or new bush ya send a bear project Ghana ye and 10 times or so. And now the meeting okoye na osane Kuwait for ambassador or Ghana. Omukoye meeting about Ghana sports. Say a choir of so na amai no omo be have exchange programs sa Ghana ni made bia na Kuwait for na ba no ma besua sa Kuwait for no ade bi no munim ya na Ghana for no so ko no ma kusua ado na broni friend exchange programs enra omo sensan memorandum of understanding the Kuwait ambassador no office between the Ghana sports minister and the Kuwait ambassador to Ghana. Ket GS Okuraku and also on the RFAs one and only Omu Edi Kasubum and now occupy the Northern Regional Football Federation and Omukodi Juma who are Zeno football development. It start from the grassroots. It is a proud all the 10, 16 regions. No, I visit you. Be a social Kumasi, but Kotoko could your way and idea. Your bumpers and your 90 wonder. Ghana. The football the be Ghana Premier League no will say you invest well. Sebo de bia yaka. It's get over home the name no you have to do more. Ghana League you have to put proper investment into it, attention into it. Yes, and also any information kakra cricket and so as well ever. And FIFA and the crata be babon say on my bia Ubo League will crow by May ending, 31st May, some May is 30th, May ending. I will say, no League by 1st July there. I hope was a 1st June, no, World Cup started June, I think 16 or so. It's by see a very June, no. Now, or maybe a over World Cup, World Cup, no, you league over the crew on one boy. Yes, another messenger, I had the FIFA for a day Abema Ghana, say Ghana, illegal boy by May ending there. Let's say your who's a Kotoko League, and I say Bidiam, and I say House of Fukunegia, and also a big question because over the idea the central for the door neck as a media because Liga air boss say no media man will be your match day your match day 22 media man with 8 points media man for a chance but still now me want to Kotoko bit my baby inti and also you heard the ABC now has new CEO no and now share the supporters front and I all call it on the supporters say obomuano na stadium nipa emma obomuano na nipa emra stadium so supporters mobilization the Grassroots new CEO is calling on the supporters to come onto the stadium and the various stakeholders the highest authority in the supporters no na omumwa na stadium attendance no and also wabero on the supporters and the Bay and also a new House of Folks CEO Julius Muna and also Ensama or the air to Jano. Now, Kumasa Santi Kotoko no and unveil a new board for the supporters, Global Supporters Council. Global Supporters Council a circus now, but a deal of person Musisano, not Omoyan say a Global Supporters Council circus now. On person we are finding it's on board of Mukoyi and a board this year. And a board no Ekoye meeting now. At the Crota board Nikoye meeting, the board met over fabulous census. Say a quite bad so number first so I fabulous census ni. Na fabulous census no. A idea ye Kotoko. That's the bottom line. So at the end of the meeting, they schedule another meeting. Say omone IMC ebekwa kushia. Na omo outliners, omo points omo lay out in, omo suggestions, omo ideas omo board no so omo woma fabu census no omo de be wurem because already news people say fabu census no ye dey ama supporters ni so omo manage na akontabuo no so e wo management ho enti se say no advisory board the first meeting omo ye no is about fabu census and that one we dey be say go meeting about kwan the public first about stadium but fabu census no so here e break Kotoko scanty and you go was omo meeting about it so Zafabu census meeting, we are. Almost say, Omoni IMC, ebe taking decision on Fabu census. Now, a quite of the first so aye, amana ye, no so, Omaya amana ye, and only the latest update on that. And now, meeting because between the Ghana Football Association. Once a coach Utuado, and then the head of the technical team, our Blasters. Omuhu they say, Coach Utuado, the same like. We hear much. The technical team na no emre basically men kanesa. It's your more experienced gaffer, experienced tax master. No more than that can hold. Now Oma represent Ghana World Cup ebekoso USA, Mexico and Canada. Now no 4 coaches no more shortlist number kwa I'm told Oma getting in touch with him former Saudi Arabia coach. Saudi Arabia, Qatar World Cup, under the Saudi Arabia buy. Okay, Saudi Arabia and Argentina, omuye shock surprise be. It is our coach, the very Pierre Mumadi. No coach Saudi Arabia, Qatar World Cup. No, and a man TSA, Babeka Utuado as the technical team member. No man has said World Cup. I ever Ghana, ever successful. Ghana, it's be qualified from the group stage. Ghana. Yeah, it's successful because who be sa ache who be sa ache Brazil the koje and buase poto Brazil World Cup koje and buase poto apart from World Cup 2006 they are qualifier 2006 there and Brazil Brazil there so yanko hudo so it is a South Africa there don't wanna it be called kakra Brazil the Yanko Hudu so the Buase Poto 2018 Yanko 2022 Yanko group stages the free and also in some kakra now we have to defend the FA Cup. I know you're in Sama Safuduku and the Tuja na Safuduku in some the Tuja now Kumasa Santikotoko I imagine say at the end of the season they are not going to sign any players. They are going to introduce a policy of at least promoting 4 to 5 players from the youth team no that omo or senior team no enti policy we say adwuma personally me the policy is not coming for Kumasi Asante Kotoko not to sign player at the end of the season, but obviously on the sign player, there are 1 or 2 top signings. After that, the integral team are be promote you, and as a membership of players are on person Oboba Kotoko no more no should come from youth team. I know the information now. Mensaka, but see this way, because this is how it's supposed to be. To be real honest, this is how it's supposed to be. And the bomb by say afuwe no nkra na obo homode ewo youth team no season the baby benya ba ku bi no bi ensa at least from the youth team then they join player we be review no Abudu Isaka last season Kotoko youth team no the ball pan the ma ko United ko division 1 say be so say ko no akobo enya form ni ade a say Kotoko nsa friend no bra na obegina bi e ma Asante Kotoko. This policy we are told is happening for Kotoko next season. Now, Albert Amoah news they say, season this one, we understand say Albert Amoah is on loan to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But the news coming is that Kumasi Asante Kotoko has decided to sign Albert Amoah permanently at the end of the season. Or the loan player bill. And all the news are and also Kotoko management and the article decision, they say at the end of the season, they will retain him and they will re-sign him. As a player, they say all the Kotoko contract to Kotoko told into the first contract on the buy na Shiegu and I will be loan. It's at the loan 6 months we are hearing that Kotoko will sign him and he's going to be a permanent player of Kumasi Asante Kotoko again. Yes, I know the information. Yes, I never buy a Kotoko GM fake up no. And as a league, you bit me a pulley shock near J. I just assigned his way in a very lively. Also, Kotoko Africa this season. They are building upon experience I this season.